Hi Barry.
Hello.
Here we are at the 3FM and Shaw mobile stand. Go Barry. Bit blustery. Just waiting on our first customers. Thinking possibility. Yep, we've got one here. Yep.
How do you do it?
Barry's going to explain to him what he needs to do. Is he going to win? This is number?
2, 2, 3, 4.
Half the districts would have drowned anyone.
118.
I don't know you do. You can't be that. Lots of.
Oh, never mind. So Barry, what do you think so far? Having a busy morning?
It's amazing.
It's just fantastic, isn't it?
It is
busy. Oh, you've got a better hand.
Results now in the short-term classes today. Class 30.
Wait, Barry. Is this going to be our winner? Is this going to be our winner, Barry?
I think so.
You think so? You never know. Dog, what do you think? Is this our winner? Is that our winner? You going to win? Okay.
It'll be your mobile number.
Is this one of the sides? Anyone type that one in yet?
I don't know. You're more than welcome to try it.
Is that the winning number? Oh, never mind.
More music, 3FM.